Alright, so my Mustang wasn't starting, and when I cleaned up the ignition control module, it started for a second, so I'm guessing that's my issue right there. So I bought a new one. Here it is. I have to take out the distributor to replace it, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. And I have no control over the music. It's my dad. So bear with me. Okay, so my distributor is out. It was only one bolt. I honestly thought that this would be harder to take out. That's kind of like the reason why I never bought a distributor. But now I know. So alright, let's take the module off. Right. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. So yeah, I'll just get these little bolts out in there.
It'll start right up, I promise.
Why is it not starting? Okay, I'm gonna pull the gas tank out of the Mustang so I can take out the fuel pump. I won't be able to do everything because I need the gas line disconnect stuff, but I guess I'll just get started. Okay, so changing out the fuel pump in the Mustang. I'm just dropping the gas tank right now. So, thank you. Alright, so we dropped the gas tank. It's sitting on 2 tires. We just got to disconnect another gas line, and then we can do it. We can do it. Justin's
I want to light my shoe on fire.
shoe is very flammable. Here's an entire puddle of gasoline that's now evaporated. It's pretty exciting. I had the gas tank like on my legs, like I felt like Lieutenant Dan. Couldn't move.
I haven't been in a video in a while.
Yeah, how's it going, Justin?
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright. Alright. We got it out. The new pee bag is smaller.
Maybe it expands. Can't hold this light at the same time. Need to cut my toenails.
Damn, dude. You smoking crack with those?
No, dude. I don't think people like cut their toenails on like a regular basis as their fingernails, cause I mean.
Yeah, you never see them motherfuckers, especially in the wintertime.
Right, cause my fingernails they're always trimmed and kept nice. But them toes, nigga, they stay chillin'.
These fucking retarded ass man pajamas. The one time for the one times.
Now, if you ever have to take out your fuel pump, don't pry out the ring.
Yeah, knock it loose, like turn it loose.
Some hill jack on the tube apparently pried it off, but you don't do that.
That's how you fuck those shit up. Okay.
You gotta tap them.
Gotta show them love.
Gotta loose them.
Okay, I need something that fits in there. Or maybe I can just fuck this hose up. Is there an intense zooming going on right now?
Hold on. I have a funny idea. Keep this whole clip rolling. What's that intense song? It goes, dun, dun, dun.
The Monday Night Football song.
No.
Yeah, this hose needs to be cut. Drop the hose there. Where? Oh no, it's right there. Okay. So intense.
Oh.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Boy. For those of you that don't know, I blew up my 240 and I bought this truck like 2 days after because I needed a car to go to work. But don't be sad, because very soon the new drift car will be in our arms. More important stuff needs to happen.
Yeah, like Edelbrock.
Like it'll Brock car. Here we go, boys. That's nice. That's real nice right there. Damn. Where should this go? No, it won't fit.
No. Put it down below. Yeah, right there.
Ooh. How the fuck does this work? Is this just a sticker or a vinyl?
It's like a vinyl. I didn't know that shit was silver. Yeah, clean that. That's not good enough, dude. Well, I guess it is. It's a vinyl.
It's good enough. Alright, boys. Should we title this video like Ricer Truck? Ricer Truck gets sick. Sponsorships.
Alright.
Oh, like
Yeah, just saying like that the car I'm at.
I'm not in it.
Oh, okay. Well, we fixed it. It drove. It starts. What in tarnation? So yeah, now we're gonna edit these videos here at the humble abode. Man, she's looking pretty dusty.
She's looking like
We need some wheels on this bad bitch. I forgot to wash that corner of my car down there, and I'm crying.
it all makes up for it.
Yeah, 'cause it's still too cool for you motherfuckers.